Okay, we're going to make a real quick marinade. I've got a little bit of coriander, and with coriander you want to smash it up just a little bit, release some of that flavor. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of Kalamata juice. You saw Kalamatas in the last video. I'm putting just a little bit of the juice because it's already got some red wine and some other good flavors in there that will complement the pork. I'm going to be putting a few other things here today. We've got some sugar. We're going with some fresh black pepper, of course. Love pepper. Okay. We're going to be putting some garlic, approximately a tablespoon of garlic. This is the minced dried garlic. This stuff is awesome. It's fast, it's convenient, and it has a great flavor. Okay, a little bit of oregano is going in there. Sea salt. Cumin. Smoked pepper powder. Pinch of cinnamon. Some extra virgin olive oil. As well as a splash of cider vinegar. Okay, we're going to mix this all up, and that right there is going to be an awesome pork marinade. Pork goes in, coat all the sides, cover, refrigerate, get the grill going. Yeah, that's going to be good. Okay, there we go. Just finishing up. Yeah, that's a little bit better. That's more what I'm looking for a coleslaw. And I will also switch the glove one more time. Safety first. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, support your sponsor, and best of all, eat healthy and live longer. Get cooking. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. And your sponsor is right there. We actually have a couple sponsors, so there's another one over there, and that's where you're gonna find all the cool stuff. Even the chef's titanium knife. Oh yeah. Butcher block. And all the good things that you see in the videos. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there.